Hello there, this is Rob from Lead International, and today we'll be looking at some confusing words from the English vocabulary. There will be a discussion of farther and further, affect and effect, and see, look, and watch, and what's the difference between them. When we go to farther and further, they are more or less similar, they have the similar pronunciation, and they have almost similar spelling, but the difference is how we use them. They are both the comparative form of the word far, right? So you would go to further or further. However, the difference comes in which context we use it. We use farther with an A when we're referring about distance. But we use further when we're talking about time. For example, when we say this, the furthest planet from the sun is this one, or if we use this one, we would say the train progressed without further delay. So that would be the basic difference. And then when we come to affect and effect, affect mostly is used as a verb, and we are talking, when we say affect, we're trying to say something that influences. As a verb, it has the meaning of influence. Effect, on the other hand, it is mostly used as a noun, but sometimes as well can be used as a verb. But when we use the word effect, we mostly focus on something bringing about a result. So the noun form would be a result because of a change, and the verb form would be something that became, or something that comes because of the change. So bringing about a result. That will be the basic difference. So let's get to the last set of words, which is see, look, and watch. When we look at the first one, see, it's more about noticing things for the first time. For the first time. It's about the period of time that we use these different set of words. So when you use see, we talk about noticing things for the first time, when we direct our attention to it. But look at, you can also add look at here. Look at or watch refer to a period of time for a somewhat longer, when we are observing for a long period of time. Its usage would be, for example, looking at art, looking at my husband, my wife, something like that. Observing for a long period of time. So both of them have the same definition. However, watch becomes different from look at because it more focuses on observing things that are moving or changing. So that's the basic difference. See would be noticing things for the first time. Look at and watch have the same definition of observing something for a long period of time. However, watch becomes different in which it's about watching things that are moving or changing. For example, a movie or an art piece, a theater piece, or something similar to those. So that is it for today.